Hi, this is Jamie Riley. Welcome to Jamie's House of Music. Today we're going to be looking at a brand new set of headphones from SoundMAGIC, one of the premier electronics manufacturers in China. Just came on Amazon. This is the HP1000. It's a closed back, high quality headphone system, and it's nicely packaged. Okay, aluminum construction, leather headband, 53 millimeter dynamic drivers, and gives you a wide sound stage because of the good size earpiece, deep bass, natural voicing, and clear treble, and soft ear pad. Took a look at the HP1000 headphones from SoundMAGIC. We're going to do the unboxing now and see what these babies look like, and then see what they sound like. Okay. Nice packaging. Look at this. The beautiful, beautiful case. A hard shell case. SoundMAGIC logo on the front. Double zipper. This is just like high quality luggage. And look at this. These are beautiful. Okay, nice closed back. So, I'll take them out. Take a look at them. Okay. Really soft headband, soft surround. Okay, let's see how they feel. Like butter. Oh, these are nice.